DjembeTradingPost.com. Sound samples. Today, I have a very special djembe. It's a Guinea Lenke shell, 14 by 24 and a half. You can find all the specs on my website at DjembeTradingPost.com, by the way, so if you didn't catch it here. This one has a calfskin, sourced from Pakistan, buffalo calfskin. It's very tight. And we're going to do a little fonkening today. Remember, DjembeTradingPost.com, Eugene, Oregon, USA. You ready? This is a beautiful djembe. It's tuned very tight, and this skin is very strong. I've been using it lately. It's wonderful. Everybody who plays it likes it. Thanks for coming out.